Yeah.
Uh,
Today, we'll be taking a look at a strategy that is working very well, a strong strategy. So I encourage you to pay very close attention to this and also share this with others that you know that plays Cash 3. Right now, we're looking at the state of California. California is a state with 2 drawings a day, 7 days a week. And this is January 2021, their evening overall column results. So if you've been with me since the very beginning, or if you're a member of this team, you already know what this is. The number that's on the left-hand side represents each and every day for the month of January. The number on the right represents which column that played for that specific day. Now you may refer to columns as the hit sum of the day. I recommend that you wait 13 to 15 days and allow for your state to manifest a pattern. See which column they're playing from the most. See which column they're playing from the least. And see which column is not playing at all. And this will help you minimize those combination selections and also prepare you for bigger hits. So as we look at January 2021, their evening drawing, we can see that on January the 6th, they play from column 0. And then on January the 7th, the 1 column followed, okay? We can see that on the 26th, the 0 column came back again. And on the 27th, the 1 column followed. So these are patterns. These are the type of things you want to look for. These are the things that will help you minimize those combination selections and prepare you for bigger hits. So if I was playing this drawing on the 26th when the 0 column came back, I definitely would have considered combinations coming from column 1 and column 1 only, okay? Why? Because of the pattern that happened earlier in the month, okay? This was the second time the 0 column played, okay? And we can see that it played on the 6th and it came back 20 days later on the 26th. So it's a strong possibility that column 1 could also follow too, okay, on the 27th. So for this, we decided to use a 999 rundown, okay? This is something strong that is working, that this channel's been using, okay? The 999 rundown, we just took the combination that played on the 26th, the day before, from column 0, 442. This is the combination from column 0, and this is the way it came out straight, okay? So we took that combination and we put it under the 999 rundown, and we're simply adding 9 back into each number until we get back to the original combination. Now, if you're familiar with rundowns, you already know how this works, okay? When you're adding the numbers and you come across a double-digit total, we always take the number that is in the ones position, okay? Now, with the 999 rundown, we will be adding, but as we work our way down, it will look like we're subtracting, okay? So, for example, 9 plus 4 gives us 13. So we can see that the 3 is in the ones position, okay? Now 13 plus 9 gives us 22. So we can see that 2 is in the ones position, okay? 22 plus 9 gives us 31. So we see the 1 is in the ones position. So as you can see, we're working our way down, okay? 9 plus 2 gives us 11, so the 1 is in the ones position. 11 plus 9 gives us 20, so the 0 is in the ones position. 20 plus 9 is 29, the 9 is in the 9 position. So you can see we're working our way down until we get back to the original combination that played on the 26th. Now, once I completed this, I knew that I was going to be looking for combinations coming from column 1 and column 1 only. Now remember, there's only 22 combinations to choose from. So I want to find all the combinations I can from column 1 in this rundown, okay? Now, if you're familiar with this channel or you're a member of this team, you know with rundowns, we like to use the middle part of the rundown. We consider that the heart of the rundown. You will find 75 to 80% of your winning combinations inside or right around the heart of the rundown. Okay, so for column 1, I wanted to find all the combinations I could from the heart of the rundown or what was surrounding the heart. And these were the 6 combinations that I can find that was the closest. Okay, so you can see 876 is right here in the heart of the rundown from column 1. 218, we have the 2 and the 1. Okay, the 1's on top of the heart, the 8 is in the inside. 209, okay, we have 20, the 9 is touching the heart. 119, right across the top of the heart. 885, a double, we have the 8's inside the heart and the 5 sticking out. And 100, okay, we have the 0's inside the heart and we have 1 sticking above. Okay, so I definitely would have played all 6 of these combinations, probably more than one time, okay, especially the doubles, the fact that I had 3, okay, and sure enough, on the 27th, they played 001 from column 1. So this definitely would have been a big hit for me, okay. They also followed the pattern. 20 days later, they came back to that pattern, okay. Now it could be that easy. Let's go back and take a look and see what they played on January the 6th from column 0, okay, and what the winning combination was from column 1 on the 7th. Let's see what combination that was and apply it to the same strategy, and let's see if the winning combination from the 7th from column 1 was in that strategy. Let's take a look. On the 6th of January from column 0, okay, the combination they played was 893. Okay, so we used it in the same 999 strategy rundown, and we can see that the winning combination from column 1 on the 7th, 353, a double, was right here in the heart of this rundown. Okay, so we see that the same strategy worked, okay, with the same pattern 20 days later. Now it could be that easy if you monitor exactly what your state is doing, okay? Look for similar patterns. Learn what strategies that work by watching this channel, okay? Get the monthly forecast. Learn how to minimize those combination selections and prepare for bigger hits. If you found this information useful, I do encourage you to share with others that you know that plays the game Cash 3, Play 3, Daily 3, Pick 3. Always remember, it's always better to give than receive. And the more you learn, the more you earn. Take care, everybody.